with this, we move on to the announcement of our next round of Scotch Order of Merit semi-finalists. And ladies and gentlemen, let me first invite Mr. Saikat Kumar Datta, Joint Secretary, Department of Urban Development and Municipal Affairs, Government of West Bengal, Online Urban Land Ceiling Clearance.
Good morning, everybody. Our Special Secretary Saikat Kumar Datta Sahib is in a very urgent meeting. So I am joining on behalf of Mr. Datta. I am Soumitra Kumar Guho, Section Officer, Urban Development and Municipal Affairs Department. I and my colleague Dipanjan Malakar, our developer, joining VC for the presentation.
Sir, I am Arsenal SP Admin, Anantapur District, sir. Sir, in our district, we are identified 450 rowdy seats, faction cells, sir. We identified 4,500 rowdy seaters, and they are categorically A, B, C, D, three categorical. We are divided three categorical, sir. One category is A category is highly sensitive person, sir. Second category, third category, we are identified, sir. Then we are every in this app we are monitoring the entire rowdies, sir. A category every day we are monitoring, sir. That's why we are taking good results, sir. So my faction in my district faction is completely reduced, sir. It is crime also completely reduced, sir, because of we are monitoring the everyday rowdy seaters, sir. Thank you a lot for Scotch team for recognized as giving prestigious Scotch award, sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. I now invite Mr. Suresh Reddy, Superintendent of Police from Anantapur District Police, COVID Cell.
Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, actually, this is also from Anantapur only, sir. Anantapur district only. On behalf of Superintendent of Police, I am attending this webinar, sir, and this award ceremony, sir. And thanks for nominating for our project, sir. That is COVID Cell. Thanks for nominating, sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Mr. Santosh K. Kamagonda, CEO, Cashutech and Assistant Commissioner, Cashutech Nirmiti Kendra, Karnataka for environmental friendly geopolymer concrete technology. District Administration, Bijapur, Mr. Rajendra Kumar Katara, District Collector, promoting livelihood through traditional forest produce. District Administration, Bijapur, once again for promoting financial services in Naxal Hotbed District, Bijapur.
Hello, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Sir, Collector sir is in an important meeting with Secretary sir. I am representing on his behalf, sir. I am Assistant Project Officer, District Panchayat, Bijapur, sir. Thank you, sir, for this order of merit. We are bestowed with this, and This will motivate us in further working for public welfare, sir.
Congratulations. Mr. Yashpal Meena, District Magistrate, District Administration, Nevada. District Response to COVID-19. Dr. H. Gandhi, Deputy Director, District Administration, Aryalur. Menstrual Hygiene Program, caring for adolescent girls and women amidst COVID-19 pandemic. Dr. M. S. Lakshmi Priya, Deputy Commissioner from Bongaigaon, Project Sampurna.
Good morning, sir. I am Abhishek Jain, attending on behalf of Deputy Commissioner Dr. M. S. Lakshmi Priya, ma'am. We thank the entire team of Scotch Award for recognizing our efforts in reducing malnourishment in our district. And I also want to thank the entire staff of District Administration Bongaigaon for working so hard to bring change to people's life. Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations to you and the entire team. The next one also goes to District Administration Bongaigaon for Project Samriddhi.
Thank you again, sir, for recognizing our efforts. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again. Now I invite District Administration Budgam, Mr. Mohammad Rauf Wani, Scientist F and DIO NIC Budgam for Transit Management Information System. Mr. Pawan Kadyan, District Magistrate from Cooch Behar, Project Prayas.
Thank you, sir. This was an effort from our side to help the scheduled tribes of our district. Thank you for recognizing us.
Congratulations to you. Mr. Anup Kinchi, Deputy Commissioner from Dimapur, COVID Response District Task Force.
I thank Stuart. Thank you so much.
Well, congratulations. Mr. Biswajit Pegu, District Magistrate from Kamrup Metropolitan, Response to COVID. District Administration Mandi, Mr. Arindam Chaudhary, Deputy Commissioner for Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Anjubala Sharma, DPU, representing DC Sir Arindam Chaudhary. I am very thankful to you, sir, recognizing us. This is highly motivational for our future endeavors. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Mr. Pranav Kumar, District Magistrate from Muzaffarpur. Tika Wali Now. Dr. Prashant Bolanath, Commissioner, District Administration Palghar for Tribal Rights Expansion and Empowerment Program.
Thanks a lot, sir. I'm Dr. Prashant. It is indeed a matter of a pleasure and privilege for us. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations, Doctor. District Administration Raichur, Mr. Santosh Kamagowda, Assistant Commissioner for Reforms in Hospital. Arohan BPO Center by District Administration Raj Nandgaon, Mr. Taran Prakash Sinha, Collector.
My name is Rahul. Good afternoon to all. I am here on the behalf of Mr. Taran Prasad Sinha, sir. Thank you, sir, for your recognition. For sure, this will help us and boost our morale. We will try to generate more employment in the district. Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations. Mr. Aditya Negi, Deputy Commissioner from Shimla, Project E-Permissions Mobile Application. Mr. Deepak Meena, District Magistrate from Siddharth Nagar, Efforts by District Administration against COVID-19. District Administration, Tamang Nong, Mr. Armstrong Peme, Deputy Commissioner, Aflong Road, NH 137, Mr. Arvinder Jot Singh for E-Office, District Administration, Yamuna Nagar. Ms. Archana Malik, SHG Member, District Administration, Kachar for Mahi Excel. Mr. Pawan Kadyan, District Magistrate and Collector from Cooch Behar, for Cooch Behar's fight against COVID-19.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for recognizing us.
Well, congratulations. This has really been a wonderful work.
Arvinder Jot Singh from Yamuna Nagar. Thanks for this award of merit. And this is very motivational for us. Thank you.
Well, congratulations to you and the entire team. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Yashpal Meena, District Magistrate from Nevada for Sanrakshit Jalvayu Surakshit Nevada. Dr. Senthil Raj, District Collector from Thoothukudi, Sanitation.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of District Collector Thoothukudi, I extend my sincere thanks to you for selecting. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Mr. B. Bharat Kumar Kantilal Joshi, Director, DRDA, from DRDA, Patan, Government of Gujarat. Highway of Intervention, Changing of Rural Economy Growth by Water Recharge Structure. Dr. Rajesh Kumar, Superintendent of Police from Fatehabad, District Police, Nasha Mukt Fatehabad. Mr. Ganesh N. Gawade, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Human Resource Department, Thane City Police. HRD COVID Cell for Thane.
Thane Police, in behalf of Commissioner of Police, Thane City, I am profoundly honored and overwhelmed to receive this merit. Our Thane Police efforts to come over of COVID disease is hard work and dedication. Once again, thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations to you. Mr. KKN Anburajan, Superintendent of Police from Kadapa District Police, tech support on one click.
Good morning, sir. SP Kadapa responding, sir. Anburajan. Sir, thank you so much for the award, sir, and it is really a big honor and pleasure to receive from the esteemed Scotch organization, sir. Thank you so much, and we'll try to keep up the good work going in the forward, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations. Love that spirit. iSpark, Kadapa District Police, once again to Mr. Anburajan.
So thank you, sir. Thank you so much for recognizing both the projects which we have presented. So hopefully in the future, we'll take forward these two projects to a next level and come back to you the next year, sir. Thank you.
Wish you all the best for that. And here we go, having coffee with SP, Kishanganj District Police, Dr. Kumar Ashish, Superintendent of Police. A very innovative project. Police Department, Gurugram. Mr. Ashok Kumar, Assistant Commissioner of Police from Gurgaon Police.
We are really thankful for this kind of platform that Scotch Award has created. A lot of conglomeration of ideas. That is the best part. And I'm really thankful for the whole team which has created this small project of mixing the convention policing with the technology. The ICCC project is really doing well, and thanks for this record.
Congratulations to you and the entire team.
Thank you.
Mr. Siddharth Kaushal, Superintendent of Police from Prakasam District Police Digital Health Management System. Mr. Mohit Kumar Garg, Superintendent of Police, Ehsas, Ratnagiri Police Department. Mr. Venkat Apala Naidu, Superintendent of Police from Tirupati Urban District Police, Trinetra. E. Malkhana from Vishakhapatnam Rural Police Department, Mr. Tuhin Sinha, Additional Superintendent of Police.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Tuhin Sinha, Additional Superintendent of Police. I am grateful to Scotch organization for giving this opportunity. Firstly, to tell everybody about the project. And also I'm thankful and grateful to my then SP, Shri Krishna Rao sir, for giving me this opportunity to go ahead and create this project. Thank you so much.
Well, congratulations. Mr. Vidya Sagar Naidu, Joint Director from Vishakhapatnam District Police for Project Vardhi. Mr. Padhi Prasad, Project Director, Watershed Department, Angul. Farm Pond, a boon to farmers and groundwater recharge. Women and Child Development, Gadag, Government of Karnataka. Mr. Usman A, Deputy Director for Improving Nutrition Status of Severe Acute Malnourished Children in Gadag District.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you very much for the honor. It is an inspiration to my department, sir. Thank you once again.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
This brings us to the end of the announcement of this round of Scotch Orders of Merit.